Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day in quarantine. Welcome back to another day in my apartment where the walls are looking a little padded. Anybody else as lonely as me? We're all lonely, right? 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 This is like less funny and more sad. But focus on the recipe and enjoy today's video in making authentic homemade Indian chai. If you guys know me, you know I love Indian food and drinks. I'm kidding, not really. Today we're gonna make something different. I found my chef coat. I found my NYU ID. You know, I went to grad school for a hot minute. Don't worry, I dropped out. I graduated high school though. Does that count? I think. No, I got my culinary arts degree in undergrad, so I'm like super smart. You wouldn't tell by these videos, but yeah, I am. Anywho, we're making chai masala, not the ones that you get at the store. Oh, that's the blender shaker. Disregard that. Okay, why don't I have my own cooking show? Who knows? Okay, just don't ask my professors. They'll tell you lots of stories on this isn't about my GPA. We're talking about chai masala. Stay in school, kids. Sometimes it pays off. Otherwise you just end up in your apartment kitchen making YouTube videos. Until then, so first things first, what you're gonna want to do is steep your tea. Make sure it's like hot but not boiling, because then you actually burn your tea leaves. So get the tea and then steep it. Not too long, because we don't want the tannins to come out or for it to get bitter. And then we're just gonna let it chill for a second. If you want a little bit extra sweeter, which I do, then we're gonna add a little bit of stevia. You can add sugar, spice it up. From here, I like to add like cinnamon, nutmeg, whatever you want. But for now, I kind of just want to make that more or less a garnish. I get my mason jar and I'm going to get gloves on because it's COVID, and pause for a sec. But yeah, now you can make sure I'm being clean. So you are going to wear gloves or whatever. Just make sure you don't touch the ice directly. This is already infected and looks like I'm going to be drinking it. But yeah, you get your ice, your soy milk, your nut milk, your dairy milk, I don't know, in there. And then you are going to garnish it with whatever flavor you want. Maybe a cinnamon stick, me with a good time. So we are just going to pour this. I don't know if this is gonna go well. I don't think this is gonna go well, but we're gonna try. Keep it pouring. This is, okay, yeah, it is. Look, it's fine. So, oh my God, it's so delicious. It's basically just like sweet tea milk. And I absolutely love it. If you really want to go fancy, hold up, drum roll please, get your martini glass, put the cinnamon stick in there, and then get your, shake it up first. Do you hear that? Sounds like a good time. And then from there, caffeinated. But yeah, so that's that. I don't think this is how they make it in India. Actually, no, this is not how they make it in India. I just touched my hair with this. Well, that's that. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, and my kitchen's a mess now. I just got like a whole bunch of dishes to do. Honestly, it doesn't even matter because I'm like low-key bored out of my mind. So if you guys know me, you know I love chai. Not the Tazo chai, more when I'm on the go in a rush. You know, I'd rather go to Starbs. Starbs is great because it's just from a concentrate and just super sweet sugar. You just get a shot of like insulin in your system. But when you have the time, but this is super easy, super like delicious, super, can I come up with a new word? How do you swallow dictionary? Yeah, but it's really easy, and literally chai means like tea. I just try to mix it up sometimes. What I want to do when I really want to get caffeinated is I'll do like a dirty chai, or you get like an extra dirty chai at Starbucks, where you can get like a shot of espresso in your chai tea so you can be caffeinated and have a sugar rush. I can't stop talking, but can you tell I've had a couple cups of caffeine? That's all for now. don't really know what else to say. Can I don't even know if I washed this glass before. Tastes good. It's just so good. You know, you're just like stuck at home like eating because you don't know if you're like bored or hungry or like a combination of the two. Story of my life. Okay. I hope this doesn't have too much caffeine. I've had a lot of caffeine too. Like, subscribe, and if you guys want more videos like this, feels good to like have a martini in your hand, even if there's not alcohol in it. You know what I mean? Who cares? No, who cares at all about this stupid year? Or you could just be a boss and drink 2 at a time. Not in this cup. Okay, yeah. Bye. Later.